Amazon customers can get food delivered from local restaurants. This video will tell you what you need to know about making restaurant deliveries. Before you begin, you must bring your food bags with you since you will need them when you pick up the food. At the start of the shift, you will be guided to your assigned location called Waypoint. It can be a public place, parking lot, etc., where you can easily wait for your order. Park in a safe and designated parking area nearby. Tap "I've arrived" in the app and wait for an order to come through. When you receive an order, tap "Acknowledge" and begin. Failure to do so will impact your eligibility for the program. You can swipe up from the bottom of the screen for any specific notes or instructions from the restaurant. Then it's time to head to the restaurant. When you get to the restaurant, tap "I've arrived." Our best delivery partners are respectful of restaurant policies about where they should wait for the food to be ready. The app will show you the customer name and address as well as the items in each order. When orders are ready, it's a good idea to verify from the restaurant staff on customer name and items packed against the details in the app. Restaurants pack food in primary packaging that has direct contact with food, and same is placed in a secondary packaging that has no direct contact with food. If you face any issue like improper packing, food leaking, unsealed order, invoice not available, invoice stapled, etc., inform restaurant, and if not resolved, call support. Ensure that the package is properly sealed and do not mix hot food with cold food. Always place the food packages and carry the bag in a way that it prevents any food spillage. If the order is a pizza or burger, boxes should be placed horizontally, and soft drinks must be kept vertically in the cup holders. Ensure hand washing or sanitization before picking the food. Once the order is picked up, swipe to finish. You can swipe up in the bottom of the screen to check for notes from the customer. After you have made all of your pickups, it's time to head to the customer. If you run into any issues finding or accessing a customer's address, you can use the help menu in the app to call or text the customer. If that doesn't work, you can also call support. Please note that every order will have a unique promise time. When you get to the customer's address, tap "I've arrived." Tap "Review Order" to confirm the items in the order. Continue onto the next screen in the app to confirm the recipient. A recipient must be present for all deliveries. Make sure you deliver the package to the recipient. If the customer is not present, or if they have noted that they would like the delivery to be made to anyone else, such as building security or a neighbor, please confirm with the customer before handing over the package. In this instance, please call the customer through the app to confirm the recipient before making the delivery. After you've delivered the order, swipe to finish. Then the app will give you the details on where to go next. To ensure safety during delivering food to our customers, you must maintain high degree of personal hygiene, which includes trimmed hair, short and clean nails, clean clothes, and covered wounds if any. Wear a mask at all times and sanitize your hands before and after every delivery. Avoid handling food with wounded hand or when you have contagious diseases such as flu, cold, or strep throat. Always wash your hands using proper hand washing technique. Remember to wash your hands after you touch animals, exchange money, blow your nose, cough or sneeze, use the bathroom, touch a sick person, and handle waste. Ensure delivery bag is clean, free from dust, dirt, or pest. As per Food Safety and Standards Act of 2006, all food businesses in supply chain, including retailer, wholesaler, transporter, distributor, importer, warehouses and food services must follow food safety regulations. Always remember to follow these golden rules for ensuring delivery standards. And that's it. Thanks for making restaurant deliveries with Amazon Flex.